943,258. I will give in the chart panel if you want. 3,258,204. Password is 4217. Vruddhi, what we discussed yesterday? Yeah, manual creation. Yeah. Anybody done the exercise by seeing the slide? Okay. Vruddhi, I am going to connect into your username. Oh, I think it's not connecting. I think they replaced it. Yes. Okay, one did you create? Okay. I understand that. Yeah. So please, from now on, remaining guys, please use your local machine of software. I think server maybe not be ready. Okay. And one you can use mine. Okay. Motors connection. Yeah. I am going to give 1 second. If anybody don't have that MDB files, please save it now. Yeah, I know because MDB files are, we need to create a ODBC connection to your local VMware software level. And that is better. If they are given, that's better. If you are not giving, okay. Okay. Then you can ask them. Just tell me one. Mm. I understand that you have to download these files and it has to place there and you have to create a ODBC connection. From there you have to create a new universe and you have to create a new BO connection. The same procedure is same. You have to follow these many steps, then only the connection will be appear. You have to create. Okay? Yeah, that's better. That's better. Thank you, people. Okay? Sorry, Ivan. Okay. So it's okay. So class, yeah. So anybody, why we are creating class and objects manually? What are the reasons? Business terminology names are required. Okay, one. Second, yeah, exactly. Minimizing the structure. Instead of taking the entire information from the table, we are taking the required information. Okay. Then one more. Very good. If you want to use the functions and the calculations, we can go for the manual creation. Okay. Then that is class and objects. And object level restriction. So what is the meaning of restriction? How many types of restrictions I can apply? Very good. Nothing but where class. Restriction is nothing but where class. Very good. How many types of restrictions we can apply in the universe designing level? What are those? No. Object level restriction, table level restriction, object level restriction and table level restriction. Object level restriction is what and how to apply? Anybody? Yeah, what is that? What is object level restriction? Something is done in the yesterday. That's okay. What is that? Object level. Object level restriction. Yeah, if you want, yeah, exactly. If you want to apply a condition to the respective object, then I can say it's a object level restriction. How to apply in the object properties window below of a box, we have where box. Then where I can apply the restriction. If I want to use the where box or where condition, what are the requirements? Field or object, then operator, then operand. Object, operator, operand. Example, year equal to 2002. Example, object, operator, operand. That is the where box we have to use. There is a drawback. If you want to apply a restriction to an object, what is the drawback? For every restriction, we need to create number of objects. That means structure is increasing. Instead of minimizing, it is increasing. So it's not the good structure. Then we have a workaround. What is that workaround? That is the conditional objects. So conditional objects are two types. One is static condition. Another one is dynamic condition. Static condition means what? Nothing but fixed operand value. Nobody can change the report level. If you define one time, then it is fixed. Nobody can change. So your conditional objects properties will contain only where box. Your objects will contain correct definition, data type, parameters. It can differ differently. But conditional objects will contain only where box. Okay? Vani. Hello, Vani. Yes. I will please connect the server. 1 second. I will connect and I will give to you. Yeah. Please go to the start menu. Please use the designer. Give the universe name. Here we have a password. Please provide the password for the administrator. Click on OK. Here we have the password for the administrator. Please provide the password. Please provide the password. I already given to you. 1 second. I will enter 1 second. Yeah, carry on. Cancel. Go to the file menu. Create a new one. Provide the inverse name as conditional objects. Inverse name as conditional objects. Use the default connection, that is e-fashion. Default connection. E-fashion you can use. Just press E, otherwise. Yes. Okay. Click on OK. So the first step is completed. Save the inverse. Save it. Okay. Second step. Add the required tables. Only one table is enough to me. Insert tables. Calendar table you can take. Calendar. Only that table is enough. Insert. Okay. Close this. Okay. Drag and drop to the automatically left hand side. Class and object will create. Okay. Do we need the third step? Do we need the fourth step? Do we need the third step and do we need the fourth step? Why? Very good. There is only one table. Then no need of join, no need of loop concept. Okay. Save it. Save it and come to the desktop intelligence. Use the desktop intelligence. Yes. Please create the report using your universe. It's coming very slowly. Yes. Create a new report. Begin. Next. What is the universe name? Conditional objects. Use the universe name. Conditional objects. Finish. So we can create the report. Let us suppose here. Run the report. We got the data. But if we are expecting only 2000, then what will you do? If it is common for all the end users, then we can go for the object level restriction. If it is common for all the people, we can apply here. How to apply object level restriction? Field is required, operator is required, then operand value. Click on OK, apply and OK. If you save the universe, come to the report level, reflect the change what I have done. Now refresh the report, I will get only 2000. Okay. If it is common for all the people, then go for the object level restriction. If it is not common, if we have different restrictions, then don't do object level restriction. Remove that. So they have given work arrow. Like a object, we have a one more radio button, that is conditional object radio button. If you right click here, I can create a condition. In my object span, if I right click, I can create an object. Object contain lot of tabs and lot of operations. But the conditional object will contain only where box. Whatever the where box you want to define to your object, whatever the where box, the same where box is going to apply it appear here. Same where box. Double arrow option, same fields are required, objects are required, operators, operand value. So this is fixed. Then it is static value. Fixed operand value. In the operand side, I have entered a value. Then that is static. In the report creation level, if I use that static condition, nobody can change that. Now if you refresh, I will get all the data because we removed the restriction. Shruti expecting only 2000 data. Then she can use that condition. She will get only the respective data only. If you refresh the report multiple times, the value will not be changed because we provide the fixed operand value. But Vruddhi is the end user. She is expecting, I want to give my required value while report refreshing time. If I am refreshing, it is fixed. I want to give some other value, 2001. I want to see time 99 value. Then that is dynamic. That is the dynamic condition. The dynamic condition advantage, the end